The National Weather Service in Minneapolis has issued a tornado warning for Northeast Asia County, Greene County, Northern Mary County until 10:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. And at 3:31 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service operator indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. This dangerous storm is located 3 miles southwest of the tree and moving eastern with 35 miles per hour. The indicator said admired the road to cloud was riders by train to the spotters at 9:30 Eastern Daylight Time with this storm. The ping pong has as well as the location of it with its Swiss City. North lines, nearby, French. Orange man, take cover now. Moving to the room of a study building, avoid windows in a mobile home and the vehicles of a door. Move the closet as a shelter and protect yourself from fire debris.